Ja Rastafaro. Blessings and wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem. Pierre. If you're new, welcome to the vibe. It's been a while since I sat here down in front of y'all. I know I said I was gonna be consistent in 2019. Starts now. Starts now, y'all. I just wanted to come here and update y'all with what's been going on with me. Haven't been creating videos, but I've been creating. And that's the most important thing, that we're creating. So what have I been creating? Dun 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 dun! Boom! The Seamoss plug is here.
Look at this beautiful Seamoss. Ooh, nice little purple color to it. Nice and clean. Of course, we got the crystals charging it up.
I am now the Seamoss plug. I got wild crafted Seamoss straight from St. Lucia. Honorable Priest Kailash has sent me Seamoss. I went out there. It's been a work of over a year and a half now to get this amazing Seamoss. We got it now. We got y'all covered. So if you want to pick up some Seamoss, then you can head to my website, akeempierre.com. And I'm just so happy to be providing an amazing product. Like, straight up, it's an exciting thing. So I'm grateful to be able to do that. So we got the Seamoss. Next up, we got the retreat. If y'all don't want to just have the nice St. Lucian Seamoss, y'all can go to St. Lucia and you could join us on our Herbal Healing retreat, which is gonna be with Mark Roman and Priest Kailash. And we're gonna be tuning in to the healing and going beyond the healing. We're gonna start to see what we can do once we realize that we are creators, that we have all this power. So this retreat is going to be an experiential retreat just on how to embody that high vibrational living, embodying being around the herbs, like how to, like just seeing all this amazing herbs around you, and also meeting your tribe, meeting your soul family. Last retreat was so amazing. I'm still in contact with everyone who's out there. It's just like I found my tribe.
Love, 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 love. Love, love, love.
So I'm excited to be doing it again and to have this opportunity. It's gonna be June 15th to 23rd, a Journey Beyond Wellness Retreat, Summer Solstice Edition. We're gonna have the Summer Solstice Ritual. It's gonna be blessed, it's gonna be amazing. So if you are interested, we've already sold tickets for a while now. I haven't been promoting it too much, but we only have 3 tickets left. So if you wanna join us, then you could click the link in my description and you could reserve your spot. It's just a deposit, and then we could do a payment plan. Or you could just, if you ballin', you could put all the money down at once. I ain't gonna stop you. But we also do got payment plans for those of you who are interested. And if it resonates with you, just know that this is an opportunity. If not, just know that the healing is always going on. So be aware of that and be present in your healing and enjoy that process. It's a beautiful journey, and enjoy it fully. And other than that, y'all have seen my food, but I've been hosting events in Vancouver where I'm actually sharing my food now, which is so amazing, so blessed. About 2 months ago, I held a dinner called Chemo's Kitchen, where we had my favorite menu items. I know y'all are gonna be mad at me, but I made injera, the best injera too. I made shiro, I made Jamaican patties, Empress made Empress patties, and we just had a Seamoss stew. We had the Seamoss pudding or the Seamoss mousse. It was just a blessed event. Also, a couple questions I've been getting about Priest Kailash. One is how you can get in contact with him, how you can go visit, and how you can get his book. Answers are in the link in the description. I made an Amazon storefront where you can see like a lot of the things that I use that I buy off of Amazon. But you could also buy his book, because that's the only place you can get his book, the Herbal Manual. Let's see if I have it over here. I know I have it. So here's the Herbal Manual. So you can get this on Amazon. I have the store link in the description. I'm gonna make a little bit of money off of anyone who purchases that. Might as well, connect it and get some money back instead of Amazon taking all that money. So, supporting the black businesses, supporting me and Priest Kailash, and, just supporting yourself, because you're getting some of the most powerful healing information. And that's what this channel is about. That's what my life is about. I've dedicated myself to, human optimization and just, how we could become the greatest versions of ourselves. And with that being said, one of the ways we can do that, and this is something that I'm telling myself, I'm talking to you, I'm talking to me, is that we need to allow ourselves to be great. We need to get out of our own ways. We need to stop dimming our light to make other people feel more comfortable. When you go out to that dinner and you are eating healthy and you make someone feel uncomfortable because they don't eat healthy, go on. Eat healthy. Keep doing it. Don't let anyone stop you from doing you. Be unapologetically you. And that's something that I have been dimming my light a little bit. So I'm challenging myself to allow that to grow and allow that to come through. And I've, worked on my morning routines, my evening routines, and I've just really put a big structure to my life that I didn't have previously. So these are all things that I can touch on in the future. And if y'all have any content that you want to see coming forward in the future, let me know. We're here co-creating together. If y'all want to connect for any reason, let me know. Go to the Facebook group, message me on Instagram. We're here. Write a comment, whatever it may be. Let's tune in. This is all love here, and I'm so grateful for y'all to be here. So, sending y'all love, sending y'all just this ability to know that if you think of something, you can make it happen. So we got the Seamoss. I made it happen. I thought about it 2 years ago. I'm here. Yes. Got the retreat. Thought about that almost 3 years ago. It's here. Yes. You can do it. We can do this. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do it. And I just want y'all to know that. And I'm going to update y'all on my fitness journey in future videos. Y'all might see I'm getting a little bit big. Hard fitting into the frame, but it's all good. I'm gonna share with y'all what I've been doing. I've adjusted a little bit. I've changed and tweaked a few things, and it's been amazing. I've been feeling great. So we're gonna be updating y'all in the future, coming up soon, and we're gonna be doing videos every Sunday. So tune in every Sunday for that consistent content from Chemo. We doing it big. Let me see if I forgot anything. I got it all. Much love, sending y'all wholeness and balanced vibrations. Let your light shine this week, and I'll catch y'all next week. Ja Rastafaro.